Hello everybody, this is Rick from Montana Outlaw BBQ. And thanks again for watching our videos. Today we're going to do a Bloody Mary flank steak. I am so excited about this video today. I'm covering my two favorite food groups, steak and Bloody Marys. So who cannot like that? So we're gonna start right now by making the marinade. You can do this the night before, and that way the next day when your guests are here, you're ready to put it on the grill. So let's get started. We start with 2 cups V8 juice. 1/4 cup Worcestershire sauce. We're using actually from our friends at Montgomery Distillery. They call it Worcestershire sauce, but any Worcestershire sauce will do. We put 1/4 cup of that in. 2 tablespoons of, once again, Montgomery Distillery Quicksilver vodka. What good's a Bloody Mary if you don't have vodka? If you a little extra splashes in, no worries. Then we use 1 tablespoon of celery salt. 1 teaspoon granulated garlic. 1 teaspoon of pepper, and I always like to use the coarse ground, and 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder. You take a whisk, incorporate all this into it. Yeah, that smells like a Bloody Mary. I could drink that. Once it's fully incorporated, grab your flank steak. If you remember from our video, our carne asada, we use flank steak because you can look at the grain, very loosely grained, it's very tender. So let's put this in, let it sit for a minimum of 4 hours. You can take a look at it. It's fully covered. And now all we have left to do is take it and put it in the refrigerator. All right, here's our flank steak 12 hours later. You can see the spices are worked in and it looks great. All we have left now is to put it on the grill. Okay, we just pulled out this Bloody Mary flank steak off the drum. Man, it smells great. I can't wait to taste it. Looks good. So let's cut it open and see how it looks. Let's slice this beauty up. Good medium, look at there. Look how juicy that is. This is gonna be good. All right, so now we'll slice it real thin. I gotta try some. Look how tender that is. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. This, I can tell the Bloody Mary in there. You can taste the tomatoes. Man, the Worcestershire, I taste it. It's celery, it's great. So, your next thought is, what are we gonna do with this thing? Well, I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do. We're gonna slice some up. Now, we're gonna turn this into a Bloody Mary kebab. Look at the juice coming out of this thing. It's amazing. Put a little piece of meat here. Like everybody enjoys the Bloody Mary. If the salad comes with it, that's part of the adventure. So we'll put this meat, we'll put a little pepperoni right here in there. We'll put another piece of meat. We'll put maybe a pickle spear. Let's put a big old piece of meat on there. How about that? Tomato, that'd be good. Oops. Another piece of meat. A little pepper jack cheese, that'd be good. Another piece of meat, of course. And we'll top it off with lime. Let's try it with lime. There you go. So when the gang's all here, you're having a party, showing a little cornhole or something, you want to do something fun? How about a Bloody Mary leg steak? So we've had a lot of fun with this today. It's a great little recipe. thanks for joining us again for our video series. If you like what you see, go to Montana Outlaw BBQ. Hit the subscribe button, the like button, hit the bell. Okay, this course is a recipe for a fun gathering. Nothing serious, just having a great time. Hope you enjoy it. This is Rick. We'll see you next time.